Hey folks, this is Scott at the Xfed Homestead. Well, we got a busy time today. We've got to put these little meatballs or meat birds into their new chicken tractor. So I put the chicken tractor lift on there yesterday, and so I'm going to get them inside and get them all settled in. So let's get to work. All right, guys. There you go. It's all right. I get your friends. That's about half of them. All right, girls. Well, I opted to put this little guy in last. That's our little Plymouth Barred rock rooster. At least I think he is. Yeah. I'm going to put him with his friends. He was small, so I didn't want to put him in the bucket with the bigger birds. But he'll miss his friends, so I'll put him in there now. Now I'm gonna have to fix the height of the feeder in there. I filled it up with food, but forgot that the chicks aren't as big as the chicks that were there last year. They had already developed to 8 weeks, so they were twice as big, if not more, than these chickens. So I'm gonna lower that, and then I have their water ready, so I'll put that in there too, and they should be all set. They've got some nice grass to be on. It's a nice sunny day. It's right around 70 degrees, which I think is perfect. And they've been working without a heat lamp for a number of nights now. So I think they're all ready. They're well feathered out and they look pretty healthy. So I'm excited that they're on grass now and they can eat the bugs and the insects. And I think they're gonna have a great rest of the day. I put their regular feeder in there. And every time I fed them, I say, chick, chick, chick. And so they know that food's coming. So I did the same thing and they all went over to it. In the meantime, I lowered that feeder that I have hanging from a chain at the roof rafter, and some of them are already taking to it. So after today, that's going to be their permanent feeder. And I'll give that to them every 12 hours. And I'm going to put a 5-gallon waterer in here, and they'll get used to that too. Some of them look like they're already looking for water, but some, like those right here, they're already finding stuff to peck at in the grass. It's just great to watch the chickens go through their natural motions. It looks like they're adapting very quickly. Because they convert feed to meat so quickly in a matter of 8 to 10 weeks, Cornish Cross chickens are the preferred chicken of the industry. They actually look a lot happier now. It's funny how you can tell that. Well, the chickens are adapting to their new home very well. They seem really happy, and it's funny how you can kind of tell that they're happier. They're a little more chipper, they're running around the area, they're making use of their food and water, and they seem to be adapting very well. So that makes me happy as a chicken owner. For my part, I'm real happy that the chick lift is working perfectly, and that'll make this chore particularly easy to move the chicken tractor whenever I want to. I hope to move it 2 times a day at least, and that'll make it an easy chore rather than a labor. Well, now that everything's working great, this is Scott at the XFed Homestead. We'll see you next time.